Ciao, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Hey, thanks for being with us today. And guess who's with us? My daughter, Natalie Giambavo. Yes, we call her Chef Natalie because, you know why? Because she's done focaccia bread. She's done these sweet potatoes that are just delicious. And she also has done a great banana bread that you're going to love. So look at the videos and you'll see Natalie, Chef Natalie, we like to call her. And she's gonna help us today. What are you helping with us today? You're gonna teach me today. What are we teaching me?
We're making mozzarella.
Oh, you mean like mozzarella cheese?
Yeah.
From scratch?
Yeah, from scratch.
Oh God, sono affamato, sono affamato. Yeah, you know mozzarella is great on lasagna.
And caprese.
Caprese salad?
Yeah, caprese
caprese salad. Oh, I love that. Yeah, I love lasagna. I love baked ziti. I love eggplant. I love chicken parmesan.
Okay, Dad, we get it. You're hungry.
Yeah, sono affamato. Yeah, see. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, guys, is I know what's on the menu and what's around here, but Natalie's gonna show me how to do it. So we have a gallon of milk here, Nat. And I guess when we get over at the stovetop, we put the gallon of milk in the pot.
Yeah, we need to put the gallon of milk in the pot.
And what temperature do we get it to?
We need it at 115.
115 degrees? Okay. And then after that, what do I do?
We're going to add some white vinegar to it.
Yeah.
And let it curdle.
Oh, okay. Well, you'll teach me as we go, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so hey, listen, meet us over at the stovetop. And let's try to do that heart thing again. Let me see. How do you do that? How do you do that? I can't do that. Is that right?
Oh.
Is that it? Is that close?
There we go.
Okay. Yeah. Well, you know we love you. Anyway, we'll meet you over there. All right. Thanks for joining us over here at the stovetop. We're ready to go, I guess. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, come on, Dad. Let's do it. Let's go on.
Oh, well, okay. All right. So what do I do first?
So we're going to put the gallon of milk into the pot.
Gallon of milk in the pot. Okay, here we go. Gallon of milk. And this we got is organic milk. 1 gallon of milk going in. Here we go, Nat.
Woo.
I love it. Put that over there. So now what do I do? I turn on the heat?
Yeah, we're going to turn on the heat.
Okay.
We want to do not too high because we don't want to scald the milk or burn it.
Okay.
We want to get it to 115.
Okay, 115. Let me go ahead and get this stirrer, which I need. I will do. And then we get to 115 degrees. And then what?
And then we're going to let it sit and add some white vinegar.
White vinegar and...
Dad, what's the temp?
We're there. We're there at 115. Now what do I do?
Perfect.
Should I stir it a little bit first?
Stir it a little bit and turn that heat off.
Okay, turn it on like this. Stir, nice stir. Turn the heat off, and then what?
Then what we want to do is take out that thermometer and we'll put it in the vinegar.
Oh, good. Okay. All right, it's a good idea. And put the whole thing, right?
Yep. Let's
put it in.
The whole thing.
Okay. There's
Perfect.
2/3 of white vinegar, and then I give it a nice stir. And then what's going to happen now? Because I put the vinegar in.
It's going to start curdling. So
Curdling. Is it because I know that's curd? Have you ever heard of curds and wheys? I guess this is where it comes from, huh? So I guess the curds come up, and what's left is the wheys. Right, Nat? Is that right? Yeah. Okay, so we let it go, and we see what happens, right? Okay. All right, it's looking good. Should I put the lid on now?
Yeah, we should probably put the lid on.
Put the lid on. There we go. And you told me earlier that we should do this for 15 minutes?
About 15 minutes.
15 minutes, okay.
Okay, Dad, let's take a look under the hood.
All right. Oh, I like that. Under the hood. I like that. Okay. Oh, can you see it? Look at that. Look at that. Okay, now. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to bring it over to one side. Can you see that? There we go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and try to grab it. Oh, it looks beautiful. We're going to go ahead and put it in the bowl. That's your cheese. That's the curd. Okay, I think we're there. Okay, and I'm going to save this because I could use the whey for the plants. All right, I'm going to put my gloves on because it's going to be pretty warm. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bowl here and I'm going to try to drain a little bit of the whey off, okay? Just like so. All right, now, because it's so warm, I'm going to go ahead and start to manipulate it a little bit, like so. And look at all that whey coming out of there. That's what you want. And you're left with this beautiful mozzarella cheese. And so I'm going to drain it off again. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do that again. And I'm going to folding it over, pushing it down, folding it over, pushing it down. Okay, and look at all that whey coming out of there. Isn't that great? Works great with gloves, by the way, folks. Putting the pressure. Now I'm going to go ahead and drain some more. Okay. Now what I'm going to do with this right here is I'm going to go ahead and put it in the microwave, okay? All right, back from the microwave. Let me go ahead and check the temperature on this right now and see what we got. Okay. We want to get it up to about 160. So right now, okay, that's good. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and manipulate it some more. And remember, this is going to be kind of warm. So I'm going to start stretching it, okay? Can you see that real close? Come on in. Yeah. Start stretching it like this. Put it back. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press it down some more, okay, like this. And I'm going to go back to the microwave for another 30 seconds, okay? Here we go. So I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. Yep, I think we're getting there. I think that's it right there. You know, you don't have to hit it totally on 160, but you got to get close. So what I do is just go ahead and manipulate it some more. Like this. It's pretty warm, folks. Now I'm going to put this in and I'm going to do it like this. Help get some of that whey out of there. Okay. Oh, it's really, really warm, folks. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do this here one more time. And, okay. So as you can see, I got it as best I could. Okay, look how smooth that is. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to go right into cold water. Just like that. I let it sit there for at least 10 minutes. All right, it's been in the water for at least 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and pull it out. And we take a look at it. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that looks, huh? Look how beautiful that looks. I'm going to go ahead and dry it off. Get it nice and dry there. Look at that. There we go. Wow, that's gorgeous, huh? Don't you think? Look at that. Oh my gosh. It feels terrific, folks. That feels terrific. Well, I guess I should go ahead and cut it, right? I'll cut some right here. How's that? Let's see how it cuts. Ooh. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at this. Can you see that? Wow, huh? Unbelievable. I think I'm going to take a bite. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, delicious. This is great. From Vito's Italian Cuccina. Thank you, Natalie. That's right. Natalie helped us out on this, showed me how to do this. Chef Natalie, yeah. Thanks, hon. Don't go nowhere. Vito's Italian Cuccina. Ciao for now. Oh. Ah. Hey, thanks for joining us here on the Cucina with Natalie Giambalvo, Chef Natalie. You know, thanks for making another show with us. Today we made mozzarella cheese. We had fun doing it, and that's the point, having fun doing it. And Nat, you want to add anything here?
Sono affamato. I'm hungry. I'm ready for food.
What's that mean?
It means I'm hungry.
Oh, that's right. Sono affamato. Did I say it right?
No.
How do you say it?
Sono affamato.
Sono affamato. Anyway, a ciao from Vito's Italian Cuccina and Natalie. Mwah. Thanks for joining us. Ciao for now.
For now.